نحمده ونستعينه ونؤمن به ونتوكل عليه ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا إنه من يهده الله فهو المهتدي ومن يضلل فلا هادي له سبيلا أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له أشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. Thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. See, we saw our life till now. Thank Him for His favor of ours. In continuation of our talk on my mental health, we are looking at the human nature according to Islamic perspective. We say that Islam has a comprehensive perspective as regards humanity, because Allah is the one that has prescribed Islam for us as a religion, and is the creator of man. He's the creator of everything, the universe. So He knows all. Allah ya'lam man khalaqa wa latif al-khabir. He who created man knows man better than any other thing. He knows man than all this school of thought is psychology. And that is why we must make recourse. Yes, they are making effort. Sigmund Freud, Abraham Maslow, and the likes. Effort as regards their experience, their scientific or researches, empirical researches. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one that created human being. Knows us better than that. So we must make recourse to the revelation. And that's what brought in, we're talking about human nature, human soul. We have discussed the call, the nerve, the aklo, and the rami. Now, Islam is also telling us that when you talk about human being, you must know that yes, Islam balances everything. We are talking about nature, Psychoanalytic said it's basically nature. Behavioral said it's basically nurture. But Islam says both. Nature, Allah created man. Nurture, training, learning also matters. According to the hadith of where I said, Kullu mawludin yulad ala al-fitra. Every man is born on the natural instinct. That is fitra. Except that his parents will make him the Jew or the Christian. So that is the environmental influence. According to the behavioral school of thought in psychology. Islam balances. Also, Islam is talking about the issue of consciousness and unconsciousness. Psychoanalytic school of thought, they base their own influence of man, that what makes up man is that unconscious emotion, feelings, and thoughts. Why? The behavioral are basically unconscious issues. Islam says both. Islam recognizes the unconscious sexual motive of the wife of Aziz that wanted to seduce Prophet Yusuf. Islam says that the concept of soul is more powerful than that unconscious sexual motive urge. And that was why Prophet Yusuf resisted it. And that is the concept of soul. So it's both conscious and unconscious. Now we recognize it. And when we walk on it, we will triumph. Also, Islam says that it's not only observable, it's both observable behaviors and internal mental process. And that's why Islam divided man into three in Surah Al-Baqarah, based on the observable behavior and internal mental processes. Believers, hypocrites, and the kuffar. Surah Al-Quran 2 verse 2 to 5 says, Alif Lam Mim Dhalikal Kitabu La Rayba Fihi Hudan Lil Muttaqin Alladhina Yu'minuna. It's telling us yes, mentally, the believers are mentally and behaviorally accepted guidance. They are iman and their behavior. And that's why they are believers. The kuffar, mentally and behaviorally, they neglected guidance. And they are kuffar. Surah Al-Baqarah, 2 verse 6 to 7. And the hypocrites, 2 verse 8 to 20. They are mentally rejecting the faith, but they are behaviorally showing guidance. So that's why they are hypocrites. So Islam says it's balance between observable and unobservable. Islam also, when you talk about conscious and unconscious, Islam recognizes the unconsciousness. And that's why I say we feel column and salas. There are some category of people Allah will not Allah will not write anything against them. When you are sleeping, the insane and a child has not attained the age of puberty, they lack that consciousness, so they will not be taken up for any sin they commit, any wrong they have done, and that is Islam. Balance human nature for us, and that is why Islam also is also talking about the issue of internal mental process. It's talking about iman. In normal amal meaning actions shall be done, shall be judged according to intention. Islam consider our internal mental process, our intention. And Islam also talking about Islam, observable thing. Where in the hadith too, and where it's talking about Islam, iman, and ihsan. Islam is talking about observable thing. Salat, zakat, Saum, Hajj. Iman is talking about internal cognitive processes. Al-Iman billah, wa malaikati, wa kutubi, believe in Allah, in the Prophet, the last day. Ihsan is talking about our internal affective component. Because Islam is a balanced system that has seen human nature as a balance that is created by Allah. So when we follow this balanced nature, we are going to understand, we are talking about the issue of mental health of man and what the factors that influence mental health of man. Stop here, continue our next.